If you're a professional earth mover, you know how crucial it is to have machines and attachments that you can rely on to build your business and satisfy your customers. EI Engineering's general purpose digging buckets are designed like a sports car to streamline the bucket and reduce drag, and we have redesigned 10 specific areas in the general bucket shape that work together to maximise bucket performance, which enables you to dig more powerfully and productively no matter your digging style. Firstly, we recognised in order to dig efficiently, there are only 3 areas of the bucket that should ever touch the ground: the bucket teeth, the lip between the teeth, and the bucket side cutting edges. To achieve this, our unique double radius backplate design has a tight radius in the back of the bucket with a longer radius down to the bucket teeth and prevents heeling of the bucket as it rotates through the ground. Like a dozer or grader blade, the curve of the bucket rolls the material and offers much easier filling and emptying of the bucket, reduces drag and increases digging speed. The bucket lip or weld-in edge protrudes 10 to 15 millimeters from each side, which gives even more clearance from the sides of the trench and eliminates that wet clay slumping experience that grabs the sides of the bucket and sucks up machine power. You'll also notice the tooth adapters are welded into the sides of the bucket and splayed. This means that the collar of the tooth protects the lip from wear, so the bucket always retains its correct width. This way, the adapters also act as a gusset or brace for the corners, increasing strength and rigidity. In our larger GP digging buckets, we also add gussets to the top corners of the buckets to ensure maximum strength in those as well. And we taper the bucket from bottom to top and front to back, giving even more clearance through the trench. All our buckets are manufactured from Bisalloy 80 grade steel plate because it's 3 times stronger and 3 times more abrasion resistant than mild steel, but still maintains the flexibility required for Australia's harsh digging conditions. This is the best material for the construction of excavator buckets and means we can reduce the weight of the bucket so you can move more material. In buckets for excavators over 5 tonnes, we also provide additional Bisalloy 80 grade wear strips to the bottom of the backplate to offer extra wear protection. In highly abrasive conditions, we can also use harder material for the wear plates like Hardox 450. However, because this material is so hard, it should not be used as a bucket construction material under normal conditions. Our Bisalloy 80 grade top box section is rolled for extreme strength so it absorbs the constant seesawing action as the machine digs and rotates the bucket through the ground. You'll notice that our bucket hangers are long down the back of the bucket, which gives increased positive drive through the trench. Also important is the design, fitment and shape of the EI Engineering tooth system. The FT tooth offers much better ground penetration with its taper from the front of the tooth, so it peels the ground back, making for easier entry. And it's 25% heavier than a standard chisel tooth, giving 25% more wearable material, making it more economical. Other standard chisel and tiger teeth are also available for extreme ground conditions. And notice that the tooth adapter has no hole in it, giving it greater strength and less likely to break under excessive conditions. All of these features come together to produce a bucket that is robust and reliable, but more importantly, offers much easier digging, filling and emptying to give you huge cost savings and greater productivity, meaning you move much more material in much less time. If you consider that each digging cycle itself is only a short amount of time, but reducing it by having a bucket that flows through the ground a little faster and filling each bucket with a little more material, then emptying the bucket a little quicker adds up to a massive amount of time and money each day, as our many digging tests have shown. For more information on our GP digging buckets or any of our other attachments, give us a call on 1300 852 820.